Hey there, future legend. Ready to jump into the Apex games and dominate the competition? First things first, let's get the game downloaded and installed. I'll walk you through it step by step. Open your preferred platform. Apex Legends is available on Steam and the EA app. If you don't have either, just head to steampower.com or ea.com to download them. Next, search for Apex Legends in the store. Once you find it, click on Play Now. It's free to play, so don't worry about the cost. Next, follow the prompts to install the game. Make sure you have about 75 gigs of free space on your hard drive. Grab a snack while it downloads. It'll be worth the wait. Once it's installed, launch the game and you're ready to drop into the arena. Whether you're a solo player or teaming up with friends, the Apex games are waiting for you. Now that you've got the game, it's time to start your journey to becoming a predator. Good luck out there, legend. I'll see you in the arena.